Hey everyone, Crowbar here, cooking with Crowbar. I'm gonna get the Galanz microwave air fryer together. I'm gonna attempt to do bow tie noodle Alfredo shrimp. All in one. I'm gonna bake it. We'll see how it turns out. I'm gonna go ahead and start the Galanz here, get it to preheat for me. That way when I have everything together, I can just throw it in. So far, so good. I'll go ahead and show you what I'm working with here. So I bought a box of Convection bow tie noodles. Okay, hope I said that right. Newman's own Alfredo sauce. That's right, I'm making shrimp Alfredo bow tie. Let's see if it'll work. The cool thing about it is you buy your ingredients, the stuff you need at Walmart or wherever. You can do it in your truck. You don't have to spend all your money at the truck stop. And we have here raw shrimp. Those are thawed. I'll put everything together. Once the oven's done, preheating it says add food, everything's going in. Sorry about that. A good friend of mine called me on the video chat. He's in the hospital. He slipped on ice, busted his head. You guys got to be careful out there. All right, so it's really nothing special. Just throwing the noodles in the pan. Good thing I got two of these Newman's Alfredo sauce. My mixing spoon. I should have got 3 jars, but I'm gonna add some water. Mix it in real good. Help the noodles cook. All right, so I have the shrimp in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to work that down in with the noodles. That way it'll be able to cook in there too. So far, no kickoffs. I'm using the APU. I'm doing pretty good. It says add food, so. All right, so I'm gonna throw the food in there. Good start. Hopefully it won't kick off. We'll have us a nice little dinner. Chicken Alfredo bow tie style. So we'll keep you up to date. I got other things to do while that cooks. Blah, blah, blah. Hey guys, check this out. I'm really excited. I really am. My buddy Marty told me maybe you should start a TikTok account with TikTok and try to promote your YouTube channel. And that's exactly what I did. And I'm up to 199 subscribers. I am so excited for this, man. I am really happy. We're climbing up there. We're starting to grow. Keep it up. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for taking interest in what we do. I can't say enough. I would love to get bigger. Of course, everybody else does. And I'll continue to work hard doing this. Yeah. Check back in a little bit. 199 subscribers. Thank you, guys. Starting to smell like success. Not bad. This winter has been really, really dangerous so far. I've seen a number of cars, trucks, semis, abandoned trailers in ditches and medians because people didn't know how to slow down or get off the road when it's that bad. But I urge you people, be safe, stay warm. You'll get there. You don't need to speed. Trust me, I know. 19 years ago, I jackknifed my truck. It threw me out of the truck. I picked myself up off the road. Luckily, I wasn't killed. So just slow down, please, for your own sake and everybody else's. Still baking, hasn't kicked off yet. Ha ha ha. For everybody that's a Bella fan, I want to show you something. This is her treats. It's duck jerky. Nowhere on the bag does it say not for human consumption, but we'll, yeah, no thanks. But watch this, man. She really loves these things. You want it? Oh, I'm gonna open it up, check it out, maybe stir it a little bit, and then continue. So, oops. I'll show you. It's starting to look good. Looks like a hot mess, but it'll be good. Yeah. It's starting to look like the meal is forming. That is definitely starting to look better. Can't wait. I might get to eat today. Or am I? I don't know. Depends on the APU. What do you think? Oh, check this stuff out. So, I was at Walmart. I found a Louisiana hot sauce, 98 cents for this bottle. I was like, you know what? I'll try it out. Here's to you, Frank's hot shit. Crappy ass hot sauce. Louisiana hot sauce. Now, I like Tabasco. Everybody knows I like Tabasco. But I tried this out last night and it was pretty damn good. So, here. Here's to you, Frank's red hot crap bullshit. Here we go. Mouth is watering. This is good. Oh my God. I just snotted some of that shit up my nose. Ooh. That's good stuff, man. 98 cents. It'll knock the shit out of your taste buds. That's good stuff. So Frank's Red Hot. Right there, buddy. You ain't number one in my book. That was good. Sabella's eating her oinker stick. They're called oinkies. Let's see what she does if I try to grab it. I'm scared. She might bite me. Can I have it?
Exhausts. Pretty much anything that we're used to.
Had to mute my TV, sorry. I was watching the paranormal stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna take her out of the oven. We have 24 minutes to go. And I'm gonna take her out and put her on a plate, stir it around really good, check it out, make sure she's cooking. The shrimp's gonna be like pink red or whatever, red. Which indicates that the raw shrimp is now cooked, and I want to make sure everything else is getting cooked right. So I don't know if you guys recognized or realized what I was. Did I just cross my eyes? Realized what I have new. You remember I would tear up a paper towel and use that as oven mitts. I have oven mitts now. Pretty cool, huh? So, open the door. These are a little pain in the ass, but whatever. Better than burning myself, right? So, yeah. All right. Man, that's good and heavy. So, shut this so I don't lose much heat. So that's what the Alfredo looks like so far. You can see the shrimp is cooked. But Crystal, I'm gonna need your help, hon. Can you put the oven mitts on and hold this pan together? Or hold it still? So I can really give it a stir, because these noodles are getting cooked good. This is looking great and it's smelling good.
Oh my God, it does smell so good. Look at that shrimp.
Yeah,
oh
so like I said, I mean, just hold the pan. You got mitts on, you're not gonna get hurt. You can do this on yourself and your truck's drivers. Hope I'm reaching more than one. But yeah, just take your time, be careful. Mixing the noodles really good.
You know, I wasn't going to eat the shrimp at first, but I think that...
I knew you was going to change your mind, because you always do. Every time I come up with something, you're like, I don't know. And then all of a sudden, you're like, oh my God, it's so good.
That looks so good.
It looks so good.
It smells amazing. I can't wait to eat.
So yeah, it's making me really happy, and I'm getting kind of excited. My stomach is really, really excited that this is turning out quite well. So I had a plate underneath this pan, that way it wouldn't burn nothing. So I'm just gonna pop it right back in. Remember, take your time in doing stuff, or else you're gonna have a whoopsie and you're gonna have shit all over your truck. So
Hey, that's better than a crock pot.
hit start.
Everywhere.
Oh God, I'll never use a crock pot in the truck before. Did I tell you guys that? So right here on this shelf, I had a crock pot sitting there. I had the strap on the lid. I had beans and ham in it, cooking up for dinner later on that day. And this is like, shit, 17, 18 years ago. I went to take a left-hand turn in a Pilot truck stop parking lot. And it bumped like that. Next thing you know, fucking beans everywhere. I'm like, son of a bitch. So yeah, it was a big, big mess, and I'll never use a crock pot again. Now, I went ahead and grabbed a noodle, a bow tie, stupid lighting, out of the oven. So I'm gonna see how tender she's getting. It's tender, but like gummy tender. So you just gotta keep mixing it, keep checking it, keep baking, keep going, and you're gonna have yourself one hell of a good meal. Oh, and another thing, it's just like baking lasagna in the oven, raw noodles, where you just put the noodles in, your meat and everything else. The juices from the meat and everything else, when it's baking, cooks the noodles. So it's the same concept. So I don't know what the big deal is about these right here. They're flaming hot, flaming. But a cousin of mine told me I should try them. She said something about crunching them or smashing them or something. Why do that? Why waste a good little chip? They're pretty good. I think they're alright. They ain't even hot. Quick up. They're good. Many of them. You gotta be beware. They're really good. I wouldn't say really. All right. Bella wants some. I can't give it to her. She had the flaming shits. That ain't good. So how's your day going? You staying warm? Hope so. Making anything good to eat? If you are, you should jump over to the Facebook on Cooking with Crowbar, become a member, post your pictures of your food that you're eating or cooked or prepared. Now, we're on TikTok temporarily, just trying to get more subscribers. And of course, we're on YouTube, that's what you're watching me on. And we're on Facebook. I think I'm on Instagram too, but man, slow down, that's a lot of shit to do. But yeah, not hot. No. Okay. We'll get back to this. They're making me sweat. What? I was thirsty. You know, I do have to have water. Weird. Well, at least she found something she enjoys. Ew. Well, the last 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and I'm gonna check it out. Ew. Grab the whole thing. Be careful, that way you don't have any oopsies. There you go, folks. Baked bow tie shrimp Alfredo. Hi, Crystal.
Hi, how you doing?
Okay, can I get behind you? So yeah, we're at the truck stop. So there's no questions in y'all's minds.
Yeah, that looks really good.
We're gonna serve it up in a bowl.
You don't get plates today?
No plates. We're
No
getting
plates.
bowls. I got a pair of bowls.
Do you have...
All right, it's sat long enough. I'm freaking hungry. It's getting late. I got to get up early in the morning and head out. We're at Wolcott, Iowa at the world's largest truck stop. Don't get me started. Look at the steam come off there, people. Fluffed it up a little bit, got some more of the heat out, so yeah. Oh, it smells really good. Too bad you ain't here. There you folks go. Shrimp Alfredo. You find me a little piece of shrimp. The shrimp is cooked, it is done. The shrimp is done. Let's taste test it. Num, 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 num. Oh my God. Let's taste the noodles. That blow on is hot. It could be done. Baked bow tie shrimp Alfredo. Perfect. Bake it, 350 degrees, 80 minutes. Done. This is freaking good. And it's heavy.
Here's the shrimp. It's perfectly done. And the noodles. Yeah, this is perfect. And this is like probably a $20 portion. You're going to get a truck stop restaurant. And it tastes way better than what they can do. So I'm very happy for this microwave and us being able to do this in our truck. This is amazing. We've had some really good food. I'm going to go and enjoy this.
There you have it, folks. You can do shrimp Alfredo in the Galanz microwave, baking it. So, good and creamy. Till next time, keep your rubbers on the road, stay in your lane, and be kind to each other. You know how I always say it. Don't text and drive. Don't be somebody's burden. Be a hero. Get there alive. All right, talked enough. Showed you a good product.